Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Transformers Generations Decepticon Shockwave. Made by Hasbro. It's a 10-step Transformer. Now, a lot of people were saying that this is a Walgreens exclusive. I know what you're saying, dude, how can this be a Walgreens exclusive? Because, you know, it doesn't say Walgreens exclusive on there, like this little fellow. Yeah, let me move that out of the way. Little fellow over here, you know. Because, you know, this shows the whole Walgreens exclusive right there. Little sticker. This doesn't have that sticker on there. Yet, it is a Walgreens exclusive. Okay. Price point. About $15 for this. This is something that doesn't really quite seem like a $15 price range type of Transformer toy. For a question, you know. Maybe a little bit more than $7, probably like around the $10 to $12 price range, I would say, is where this one definitely would fit in, but Walgreens exclusive, $15, okay? I believe it was Pidge who did a review on this. I could be mistaken, it could have been Bot Matrix, but I definitely believe it was Pidge who did it. And not Bot Matrix. But definitely Pidge Bot Matrix. Best YouTubers out there so far for doing Transformer reviews. Definitely go check out their channels. I'll probably put a link down below in the description. If not, you know, I won't. But if I do, it'll probably be for the one that did the review on this that said, you know, hey, this is a Walgreens exclusive, but yeah. So if you don't see the links to their channels down below, don't worry about it, but I probably would. Bot Matrix probably would not have this one on him, but it'll be linked to some other one. And Pidge, yeah, it'll probably be Pidge, because I feel it was Pidge that did a review on this. Anyway, let's take a look at the artwork here. Nice artwork bit here. On the bottom here, they're saying that there's side swipe to get, which looks different than, you know, the side swipe from the Transformers Robots in the Skies, which is, you know, the second Transformers Robots in the Skies, led by, you know, Bumblebee, you know, that one. This is more like the old school G1 version of side swipe. Now it opens up on the side, which is kind of weird and interesting because usually they open up on the top, but this one is a side opener. So yeah, let's take a look at its little bio back here. If I could get the camera to focus. There you go. There is no limit to the evil this Decepticon scientist can create. And that's it. That's just a little background bio story. We wish that they would have a little bit more of a full story going on there. Not just like there is no evil to. There is no limit to the evil this Decepticon scientist can create. That's it. That's all they said. Wish that they would kind of fill in the blanks, give you a little bit more of that. Okay, we kind of got like some backstory to him a little bit. Nope. So yeah, and then he transforms into this like I guess it's supposed to be a Cybertronian version of a spaceship, which is kind of weird. I believe it was him that kind of made himself look like a radio frequency receiver tower back on Cybertron. I could be mistaken, that could have been Soundwave in one of those episodes, but I believe it was Shockwave and not Soundwave that did that. I could be wrong. I mean, come on, it's freaking G1 episode, so I mean, who's actually going to have that good of a memory? Be like, yeah, it was that episode at the 45-minute mark. Which, okay, obviously, wait there, it is live. Transformers don't run for 45 minutes, but you get what I'm saying. Now, to me, in his Cybertronian spaceship mode, he kind of almost looks like a gun, like a giant gun. If you ever seen Six Shot, which is kind of like the Japanese headmaster one, that's kind of what this almost looks like. It almost looks like Six Shot in its gun form, only with wings that spread out instead of them actually coming down to form a handle. So it looks like a spread out handle. Like you tip the handle of the gun, that would have been together, and you just split it open and laid it flat. That's what it looks like. Because if we look at kind of like the barrel here, it kind of looks like almost six-shot barrel. And if these are actually folded down, they could kind of become a sub six-shot type of gun. But yeah, and then here's all the steps to transform it. Hopefully there is a little instruction booklet inside there, and not just, you know, on the back here. But let's open it up. I know some of you Transformer Shockwave collectors out there will be like, ah man, this ain't that good. You know, you should have got like a better one, like maybe an MP, you know, a masterpiece one. Which, you know, I'm not going to argue with you. You're probably right about that. But I mean, for 15 bucks and this being my first Shockwave that I ever owned in my life, I am pretty stoked and happy about it. Well, unfortunately, there is no instructions for the Battle Bots, so you do actually have to have the Battle Bots and keep the Battle Bots. It's not that, hey, you know, they at least give you some instructions on the inside of bots. You know, nope. But at least, you know, he comes off pretty easily, and he is in robot mode, which is kind of cool. So let's take a look at him. He is a little bit mistransformed, but I mean, like, his body and head is kind of like laying down a bit. So let's kind of get him standing up there. And my oh my, he actually looks pretty good and fierce in this way. This is actually kind of what he looks like in the show, where he's always standing like that. I mean, if we look on the bots, they kind of have his arms out a little bit. But if you've ever seen the Transformers G1 show, you know, he usually stands around kind of like this. If he's not standing next to a computer punching, you know, the control Alt, Delete, Tab, Shift key, you know, that type of thing. But yeah, he actually looks pretty good. Head can spin around 360 on a swivel, you know. He does not have any up and down due to, you know, transformation. So head could just rotate around. Arms can go about yay high and down to there due to, you know, the bad pat. Arms can move out there and there. No hand rotation. He does have a little bit of elbow rotation. Well, elbow room to move. But then it kind of locked up to, you know, the back of his hand right there due to transformation. So yeah, be aware of that. Now, I don't know why he's not snapping together anymore. Leg, that far up, that far back. Toe bend, but again that's due to transformation. He doesn't actually have any knee bend. So if you wonder if his knees bend, as you can see from the back hollow part, no, they do not bend. I mean, they look like they would bend if you look forward, but yeah, unfortunately no knee bend. He does have kind of a knee / thigh swivel right there, which doesn't bend all that much due to transformation. This hand, his arm, is just the whole gun that, you know, folds for transformation. Now he does actually have a full-on hand right here, so that's pretty awesome. A full-on hand right there. Can he hold things like a little weapon? Probably like, you know, the Titan Master head / toy master weapons and stuff that he could probably hold. So yeah. Okay, let's see about transforming him. So they say turn him to the back here, and let's bring the camera down a bit, and there we go. Flip out the little jetpack wings. Simple, easy. Let's fold up the feet. I believe they do go all the way in, so yes. We do go all the way in. Well, actually they said turn him around then for the fan, so okay. Now we come to the legs and we just rotate the legs. So rotate them just like this. And then we just sandwich them together, which there is a little lot in tab. As you can kind of see right there, there is a little tab there. There are tab into here. So we just kind of fiddle around with this until we line up. You kind of hear that little snapping sound, which can be a pain. Something that they didn't mention that I'm going to point out right now, it's a lot easier if you just whip out this little landing gear right there. That's something that you really want to flip out early on. So let me try to tab this thing in. Which I don't know why the bottom doesn't really want to completely line up to tab in, because there should be a second tab. So right back in there, there is a small little tab, smaller than the one up front here. Okay. And then you take these little leg bits and you just fold them up. And these little clips here will just clip into there. Just like that.